Hey there, this is Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks, and today we have quite a windy day outside. I'm going to go ahead and step outside and do a video of a Honda Acti. The Honda truck is a 1993. It has 43,908 original miles. It's a 5-speed. It has real-time or full-time four-wheel drive and is $6,700. Let's take a walk around the truck. I'm going to point out a few things about the Honda that are different. The Honda has these little guards here. Do that, and it's just a little added protection. The bed on this truck is in very good shape. The ribs are in excellent condition. The bedsides are in solid shape. They're not dented up or anything like that, which would be understandable even if they were a little dented, but they're not. So I'm going to show you here the bedside. You can see there the mud flap is in great shape. This vehicle has new tires, and the new tires really make a big difference. The Honda has full-time four-wheel drive. Look at that bedside. It's really solid and straight as an arrow. Same with the side, except right there you have a little, do you see that? Just a little imperfection there. But the side of this truck is remarkable. This folds down and rests on the bed rails. So you undo these bolts here and then over there, those triples, and the whole thing folds down. And this light even has a quick disconnect back there. Top of the truck. That's a side-by-side, guys. Just say no. That's all I can tell you. Just say no. All right. There's the windshield, and it's in great shape. The front of the truck is in great shape. A little dirty. There's the bumper. The front bumper. It's in excellent condition. And the driver's door is in excellent condition. Not even so much as a dent. The aerial is in good condition also. And here is your fuel filler cap, your fuel tank. And on the Honda, the engine is in the rear. They're not afraid to be different. No question about it. And there's your drive shaft leading to the front of the truck for your front axle to get power. I'm going to get it. Oh, let me show you this. The door panels on a Honda are hard. They're not a plastic or a cloth. They're a hard plastic. This is also true for the headliner up top. It's a kind of a hard plastic. The seats in this truck are in excellent condition. No damage, no tears, just a little dirty perhaps. But that's about it. Door panel on the other side is in great shape. Got speakers in the doors. The dashboard has a little more functionality perhaps because they made it so that you can actually, that's one thing, mini trucks dashboards have room for improvement, and it looks like Honda was the first one to make that improvement. It has 70,653 kilometers, and there's the clutch pad and the brake pedal pad. The gas is metal, but they're not really worn. Neither is the floor mat. No holes in it. Just a little bit of paint rubbed off there from the heel of the driver, but nothing too bad. So for 43,908 miles, it's in remarkable condition. Let's take a drive. Now remember, this is all-time four-wheel drive. You will not ever take it out of four-wheel drive or put it in four-wheel drive. This Honda has excellent power. So I'll just tell you right now, it winds up in the power curve on a Honda mini truck, or at least on this mini truck, is different than a Daihatsu or Suzuki. It has horsepower throughout that curve, throughout that RPM curve. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn around at my favorite spot here. Hello. All right, second gear. It's really going, sorry about that, really going up the hill nicely. Now we're in fourth gear. Let's see what the speed does in fourth gear. So it's climbing in fourth gear, going up a steep hill. This Honda is geared higher, so it is definitely geared higher for higher road speeds. I will also say that. That's another difference in the Honda. The truck, guys, this mini truck drives great. It is definitely no stranger to the roadway. It will drive very well on the roads and very well on the off-roads. It is in very good condition, and I think all you Honda enthusiasts will be very pleased. Another thing I noticed is when you turn on the heat, the Honda blows hot air out of the dash vents. That's the only mini truck that I have seen yet that does that. Normally it's always cold air out of the dash.